Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome back to Lifers. My mission is to share the tree of life with you, one species and subspecies at a time. Here is our next bird, the ruby-throated hummingbird. There are currently no subspecies recognized. This is a female. I'll share the male in a future video when I find one. This species winters in Florida and southern Mexico, south to Panama and the West Indies. It breeds in the eastern United States and southern Canada, mostly in Ontario. Let's take a moment to appreciate this beautiful species as she preens herself. This is probably the only species of hummingbird you'll find in many U.S. states and Canada, unless you're in the Southwest. I can't wait to find more species of hummingbirds. There are so many species. See you next time on Lifers.